Hi, morning guys. Glad to see you here again. Welcome to my channel. Another impulse buying today, and today I'll share with you this neck support for car seats. I bought it from DIY shop, and as you can see, let me just move it here. Yeah, it's the elastic band with a PVC sort of soft PVC sort of leather. Okay, it's supposed to just put on your headrest like so. Okay, done. This is how it looked like. Okay, I think this support pillow is good if you are doing a lot of long distance driving, maybe in buses, you know, or you are a salesman who drive long distance. It's very comfortable and relaxing if you use this. However, I'm not too sure whether it's safe or not. If you know, please kindly comment. Alright, this thing I bought at DIY for about $40 odd, about 50 ringgit. Yeah, so you let me know if you you know whether it's safe or not in case of accidents. Thanks.